Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to select Apps and Notifications over here, go into Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features, like location. Then select one of your apps, for example, Amazon Shopping, and select one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Amazon Shopping just gained access to this device location. But you can always just tap on one of your apps, select see all Amazon Shopping permissions, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!